See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. Well, if you've never been here before, actually welcome to my channel. I am a beauty, lifestyle, and fashion creator, so I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. But today we're just doing a lot of, not a lot, because I mostly did everything that I needed to do as far as, like, as you can see, shopping. So I'm currently packing, but we do need to go get these nails done and these toes done. And then I was supposed to get like my brows and my wax done, but I could not make my appointment. So yeah, I arched my own brows and I waxed myself, and I did pretty good. And it's making me think like, wait, what am I paying you for exactly? But I'm gonna still go to my girl because she's just good vibes, good energy. But anyways, in today's video, we're just doing a little bit of vacation prep. I do need to go get my nails and my toes done, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be getting. And then after that, I think I need to pick up a few things like essentials for my upcoming trip that will be vlogged in the next video. But as for now, yeah, just beauty maintenance, packing, and just a little bit of other stuff that we're just gonna get into. So let's go ahead and get these nails and these toes done.
I know you want it, so I see you trying. Just keep on pushing on that side. Let's say hi to me in my room. We can kiss like do. Give it to you whenever you want. Want you whenever you want. Baby, it is yours. Anywhere, everywhere. Baby, it's your world.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I know.
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they landed. Anyway,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Welcome
meet
home.
you too. Thank
This
you.
is private transportation for one customer, and your driver is ready for you. Water and tequila in the car. Okay?
Thank
Welcome
you. Hi, Carlos.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Yeah, we made it to Cabo. So excited. Hi, Carlos. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y usted habla español?
Bien, piquito.
Spanish is good.
Oh, thank you.
You like a water, beer?
Tequila?
It's tequila.
You have
That's my-
tequila?
Sure. Went to the Pueblo Bonito Blanco, right?
Yes. This one here is tequila?
Yes.
Okay.
The first time?
Yes. Ooh, that was strong.
You like it?
Yeah, it was good.
Where are you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Ah,
Far
it's
away.
so far.
I know.
Long day for you.
I know.
My brother-in-law is living in North Carolina. In
Yeah.
Raleigh.
Oh, you know North Carolina. Nice.
Yes, it's so far.
Yeah, it's really far.
Muy lejos.
I'm happy to be in your home.
Yes?
Yes. It's beautiful here.
¿Dónde aprendí español?
No.
Spanish is for student or for practice?
Practice. I work with a lot of Hispanics.
Oh, sure.
And they're teaching me a little bit of Spanish, yeah.
Oh, nice. Spanish is easy, it's only practice.
Not easy for me.
Why? This is Ocean, this is Ciudad Cortez. In front of your hotel is the Pacific Ocean. You remember the arch?
I'm gonna do a tour to the arch.
Okay, the arch is between to the Pacific Ocean, on the north side, and Ciudad Cortez.
I know you want it, so I see you trying. Just keep on pushing on that side. Let's say hi to me in my room. We can kiss like do. Give it to you whenever you want. Want you whenever you want. Baby, it is yours. Anywhere, everywhere. Baby, it's your world.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted. 5-year been up north when they landed. The way I felt them, helped them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him daddy like louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the topper. I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then lick it out with his fingers. I'm in the zone. That's my high school. Me and my group, we can slide through. I tell you whenever you want, whenever you want, baby, it's yours. Anywhere, everywhere, baby, it's your world.
Alright.
Baby, it's your world.
I can make it hurricane on it. Honey buns make it rain on it. Turn it down, put a chain on it. Let me pack my name on it.
Hi guys, I am in Cabo. Y'all, this is my first solo trip by myself. I'm super duper excited, okay? The room is really giving like super Mexican, but that's okay because this view, y'all, is unmatched. And I kind of just booked this hotel off of like impulse and just like not really like thinking much into it because I just wanted a trip for my birthday. So I was just like, all right, I planned last minute, so let me just do something. So I did here. And yeah, so I will be turning 30 tomorrow. I'm getting so old, y'all, but I'm so blessed. I'm so happy with life. Like, God has blessed me so much. Like, listen, 30, you know how some people was afraid to turn 30? I'm excited to turn 30. What do you mean? Like, I'm dirty, flirty, and thriving. Like, what do you really mean? Just so excited. I don't know why I chose Los Cabos. Like I said, it was just off of impulse. I just wanted a trip. I booked it like literally in a day, and that's just what we do. Travel the world. I've never been here before. Why not come here? You get what I'm saying? Belize was on my list, but somebody told me, not somebody, TikTok kind of said like Belize have seaweed season, and I did not want to run into that on my birthday. Are you crazy? Are you dumb? So I avoided Belize. Belize is just gonna have to be for another trip. But right now we in Cabos. Okay, we are in Mexico. We are in Cabos, and we about to go drink, go eat, have a good time, turn up. Oh, and did I mention this is a solo trip? I mean, like, I'm by myself. Yeah, my first solo trip. I'm so excited. I'm that girl. Oh, did I mention a trick didn't pay for this vacation? Okay, I'm about to just show y'all my fit because I'm about to go to the beach, order some food. I'm hungry. And yeah, this is the fit. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. All right.
See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you.
Yeah, I drank so much last night. Ooh, your girl needs to go down and go get some fruits and some water, a good breakfast to start my day because I do have an excursion at 9 o'clock. It's currently like 7:30, almost 8. So I have to hurry up. They gotta pick me up, and then I think we're going somewhere else in Cabo to do the excursion. So I'm excited for that. But oh my God, I had so many lemon drops last night. What the fuck? Okay.